Hi guys, it's Max from Android.com, where we get on Android every day. Anyway, today we're gonna go ahead and take a look at some footage I shot with the Galaxy S9 Plus with my DJI Osmo gimbal in 4K 60 frames per second. Now, a lot of people think 60 frames per second is only for shooting in 60 frames per second, but one of the main uses for those of you who make videos is that you could slow down 60 frames per second to 30 frames per second or 24 frames per second. I like to slow it down to 24 frames per second so you get sort of like almost like 2.3x slow motion or something like that. But you can really get some good footage with it. And for me personally, that's where I can get really cool shots. Especially with the gimbal, you can get nice smooth panning shots that will look smooth even if you slow it down. Anyway, I took it while longboarding. Let's go ahead and take a look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video was not, color graded in any way. It's straight auto from the phone. I had it all in auto setting. Obviously, because with the gimbal, it's hard to sort of use a manual controls while you're using the gimbal. As far as the gimbal, last time I mentioned this, I really love this DJI Osmo. You can go many different ways easily. Probably the best gimbal I've used so far. Now, this is the original Osmo Gimbal 1. DJI has Osmo 2, which is even lighter than this. Pretty much the same thing. Also, like half the cost, only 130 bucks. I actually paid like almost 200 bucks, over 200 bucks for this. So if you're looking for a good gimbal, definitely check out Osmo 2. I'll have links in the description. I'm also working on another video, slow motion, 60 frames per second. I'll probably have that out a little bit later today. And as always, stay on Android.